In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your TradingView account with your broker. By the end, you'll be able to connect your brokerage to TradingView so you can place trades directly from your charts, monitor positions in real time, and streamline your workflow without switching tabs. This is a quick process, and I'll add helpful tips along the way to keep everything smooth and secure. To start, look to the top right of your TradingView interface and click on Trade. You'll usually find this near your chart tools and order panel area. If your layout looks different, make sure you're on a chart page where the trading panel is available. Clicking Trade opens the broker connection panel so you can see all compatible options in one place. Next, use the search bar inside that panel to find your broker and select it from the list. Typing just a few letters usually narrows it down quickly. Only supported brokers appear here. So if you don't see yours, it may not be available in your region or may require a specific account type. In that case, check with your broker outside of this process for availability rather than trying to force a connection. Once you've highlighted your broker, click Connect on the selected broker. This tells TradingView you want to establish a secure link and will open a safe redirect to your broker's login page or a small pop-up. Before proceeding, take a second to confirm you're on the official, secure page by checking for the lock icon in your browser and the correct domain. This is an important security habit to protect your account. Now, log in with your selected broker using your normal brokerage credentials. If your broker uses two-factor authentication or sends a verification code, complete that step as usual. You're signing in directly with the broker, not sharing your password with TradingView. Some brokers may briefly ask you to confirm permissions for the connection. Just review and approve if everything looks right. And there you go. Once you're logged in, the connection will finalize and you should see a confirmation that you're connected. Your trading panel will reflect your broker's status and you'll be able to place orders and manage positions right from TradingView. If anything doesn't load immediately, give it a moment or refresh your chart. That's all. Quick recap. Click Trade in the top right, search and select your broker, click Connect, log in with your broker, and you're done. If you run into any issues, verify your broker is supported. Ensure your account is approved for live or paper trading as needed, and try reconnecting. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother trading experience on TradingView.